Hello friends, this is Dr. Aditi Jain and you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel ज्ञान वारिधि। आज हम 28 जून 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करने के लिए यहाँ पर आए हैं, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Out of 140 crore bank accounts, how many bank accounts have been linked to Aadhaar in India so far? This number is 120 crore. 120 crore bank accounts have been already linked to Aadhaar in India. Who launched website for Nasha Mukt illicit trafficking? This website has been launched by Thwar Chand Gehlot, Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. DRDO successfully test fired enhanced Pinaka rocket off Odisha coast. It can destroy targets at distance up to 45 kilometers. Pinaka rocket's enhanced version was successfully tested on June 24th and 25th in Chandipur off the coast of Odisha. Minister of State Education Sanjay Dhotre launched rapid antigen test kit for COVID-19 recently. It has been developed by IIT Delhi. World Bank has provided how much amount credit to Bangladesh to set up South Asian Education Portal? This amount is 191 million US dollars. Dragon fruit cultivated by the farmers of which Indian state has been exported to Dubai? This state is Maharashtra. Dragon fruit, also known as kamalam, is rich in fiber, mineral, vitamins and antioxidants. And the production of dragon fruit has been commenced in India in early 1990s. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh inaugurated North Zone's first seed processing unit of National Seed Corporation NSC at Katwa, Jammu and Kashmir. The unit was constructed with the estimated cost of 3 crore rupees and will produce 35,000 quintals of quality seed on local basis. Punjab CM has urged Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to approve MOA for Sainik School in which district? This district is Gurdaspur. CM Amrinder Singh has urged Defence Minister to approve MOA for Sainik School in Gurdaspur. Governor of which Indian state inaugurated the International Education E-Conference 2021 virtually? It is Andhra Pradesh. Governor Biswa Bhushan Harichandan has inaugurated this conference and the theme of this conference is Holistic Education for Excellence in Life. Tamil Nadu government has formed a committee to revive tourism. The committee consists of how many members? This committee is consisted of 16 members. Next is, who has been nominated by Hockey India for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Two people have been nominated. One is in male category and another one is in female category. In male category, men's team goalkeeper PR Srijesh has been nominated and in women's category, former women's team player Deepika has been nominated. Tamil Nadu CM has announced prize money of how much amount for gold medal winners in Tokyo Olympics? This prize is of 3 crore rupees. Who has become the first Indian swimmer to qualify for the upcoming Tokyo Olympics? This is Sajan Prakash. Who bagged the bronze medal at Quartain Games in Finland? This is Neeraj Chopra, who is an ace javelin thrower. Umred Pawani Karandala Wildlife Sanctuary, which is in news, is located in Maharashtra. Recently, in which state the country's 52nd Tiger Reserve has been made? This has been made in Rajasthan. Which airport has recently won the Role of Excellence Award from the Airport Council International for Quality Airport Services? This airport is Cochin International Airport. Pradeep Singh Tiwana of Jalandhar's Kotkala village has become the first Indian to be appointed as the judge in which country? He has been appointed as the judge in Australia. On June 25th, 2021, 46 years of national emergency have been completed. How many times emergency have been imposed in the country till now? This number is 3. 3 times the emergency has been imposed. First time it was imposed in 1962, China War. Then in 1971, the war with Pakistan. And then in 1975, due to internal disturbances, and it was declared by Indira Gandhi. Tata Motors, Tata Power have set up the country's largest solar carport in which city? This city is Pune. Tata Power will generate green power of 86.4 lakh kilowatt hour per year and is estimated to reduce 7,000 tons of carbon emissions annually. World Drug Report 2021 has been released by United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. Recently, at which place in India have antibodies against Nipah virus been found? It was found in Maharashtra. Scientists have found the presence of antibodies against the Nipah virus in 2 species of bats in a cave in Mahabaleshwar. Which state government has started Krishak Bandhu Yojana? This state is West Bengal. CM Mamata Banerjee has launched this scheme to provide financial assistance to farmers and landless laborers. Rupees 5,000 per acre will be provided as annual financial assistance in 2 installments. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा। अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस पसंद आते हैं तो उनको लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।